The building used to be a palace of justice / so it looks really well, and they have done a very good job in some areas. It has everything you need. There is a bar next to the kitchen area.
We arrived earlier than the check-in time and asked to store our luggage. The guy was probably new and he forgot to mention some of factors. But he was very nice and he asked for my ID to proceed with the check-in even though the room wasn't / ready.
Clink78 is 10 minutes walk from King / Cross Station and overall a very good option if you want to stay in central London. The rooms are not big but they are comfortable and warm and have all the facilities needed: bunk beds, trash can, lamps.
Some showers were not good at all. Those automatic systems, with a button that needs to be pushed constantly, should be absolutely avoided. Other than that, a good place.
It is a typical very large hostel, a bit old one, but it / is well organized and staff is helpful. They changed my room for better one for free when the bed was occupied. The building is located ca. 10 minutes walking distance from King /
The bed I was
Metro.
allocated on arrival contained offensive graffiti. I reported this to reception and it took 2 nights to be moved to another bed. I removed the most offensive graffiti myself in order to feel comfortable.